Hello captains and welcome to another help desk tutorial. Today we will be learning how to report a trip on the eTrips mobile app. This is very similar to filling out a paper VTR, which used to be the standard way of reporting. Before we start, please set up your favorites within the app. This will make the actual reporting process a lot quicker, and it also helps make the app more user-friendly and specific to you. For directions on how to set up your favorites, you can view our other help video called How to Set Up Favorites. To begin, log into your eTrips app and navigate to the home screen. Next, select Enter Completed Trip. This will redirect you to a page that prompts you to select your mode of fishing. Today, we will be reporting on a charter fishing trip. Next, it will ask you to pick a vessel. Vessels that appear as first options will be the vessels you have established as favorites in your favorites section. If for some reason you need to report using a vessel that you have not previously favorited, you may also use the search bar to search for vessels. Then you may select a permit based on which permits are associated with your selected vessel. Once that is done, you may move forward using the next button at the bottom of the screen. This will bring you to the trip's detail page. On the trip details page, you should note that at the top of the screen there are details about the trip you are reporting. You can see the trip type, vessel name, a field to label the trip as you like, and your VTR number. Your VTR number is not only important for your records, but also for your dealers when you offload your catch. Next, you will notice questions marked by a red exclamation point. These are questions that are required to be answered in order to move forward with the trip report. Different questions may appear depending on trip type, permit, and region you are reporting to. Follow along as I answer these questions, and keep in mind your answers will be different from mine. Ports can be searched for by location or name and may also appear based on what you select in your favorites. Also note that days at sea should be 0 unless you have completed a full 24 hours at sea. There is also a section at the bottom of this screen for notes. These are for your personal use and will not be sent anywhere. The next page you should be directed to is the effort details page. Follow along as I answer the required questions. The location question on the efforts page can be answered in one of two ways. Either by manually entering your latitude and longitude, or by dropping a pin on the map where you are. Now it is time to start your trip. Here you may choose to track a trip so that you may have location records for your personal logbook, or you may manually start and stop a trip. Today we will manually be selecting our start and stop times. Also be sure to record the hours fished. Now it is time to enter your catch data. To enter a species, You may select that species from your favorites list or use the search feature to search through all of the available species. Today we will say we caught 5 black sea bass, each about 15 inches long, kept for personal use. Standard catch source, that just means that you caught them while you were fishing. And once you're done answering all of the questions on this page, make sure you hit save. Next, we will report how many bluefish we caught. We will measure this in pounds. To move forward, select Offloads. As you can see, we are not offloading any of our catch because it is all being kept for personal use. But if we were to offload, we would tap the New sign, we would select all of our catches, and then we would save them. Lastly, make sure you report your trip and submit it. If your trip is successful, this is what you should see.
As always, if you have any comments, concerns, or questions, feel free to contact our 24/7 help desk. You can give us a call at 1-800-984-0810 or email us at support@harborlightsoftware.com. Thanks for watching.